Hey everyone, welcome to Coding Clown. I am Tarun Chawla, host of this channel. I am going to teach you programming using Python programming language. Now, you might be thinking, what is programming? Programming is instructing computer to do something. We as a humans are very lazy. We need someone to do our task, and there are many different kinds of tasks which are require really heavy calculations, such as calculating the trajectory of light or calculating the trajectory of missiles, or doing some things which can predict something like machine learning algorithms, which can be only done through the machines. As if we as humans try to perform them, it took years to perform these types of algorithm on the set of data. So we need some kind of thing, some kind of medium to communicate with computers, so that we can make these tasks performed by computer. I chosen Python to teach because it is most easiest and most powerful language in the present time. As Python can be used in machine learning, artificial intelligence, web development, GUI development. You can do each and everything in Python, and it is the beauty of Python, and it is very easy to learn. It's not very difficult like traditional languages such as C, C++, Java. But if you want to have a great understanding of hardware, how software and hardware interacts, you can go with C and C++, and it give deeper understanding of hardware and how our data gets stored and retrieved in RAM, and how programs tackle with the hardware. So it's all up to you now. But for a beginner, Python is great. I initially myself first learned Python in my high school, but I also have learned C and C++, so I know the taste of both type of languages. If you are more project oriented and want to create different kinds of things, you can choose Python, and I would really recommend it, as it's have many benefits, and most big companies like Google, Netflix, Amazon are using Python in their products. Now this was the brief introduction, and I am going to teach Python, and this whole course is going to be done in Visual Studio Code. Now, what is Visual Studio Code? Visual Studio Code is code editor. As we have MS Word for writing letters and documents, we have Visual Studio Code for writing code, as it increases the speed and efficiency of writing the code. You can also write code in Python ideally, which came along with Python. They mentioned I am going to install Python and VS Code in my PC, but I have already installed, as I am working on these things from past some time. But I am doing this only to show you how you can install these things. And I am also providing notes along this course, which would be available on my GitHub profile, and I will provide the link in the description. You can read that notes along the course, which would be beneficial to you, and I would like to make these notes very easy to understand, and which will help you grasping these concepts very easily. So in introduction of programming, as I have said, it is a set of instructions which could be understood by machine, so that machine could perform tasks which we want to do, which we wanted that machine could do. Introduction. Python. Python is dynamic, high level, free, open source and interpreted programming language. Now you might be thinking, what is dynamic, high level, open source, interpreted? If you are new to programming, these terms might terror you, but don't take stress. As we do progress in this course, you will feel comfortable with these terms, and you will enjoy doing the course. And Python is object-oriented programming language, which is a most important paradigm nowadays used in software development. So now I am going to click on install. As the link is in description, you can follow the steps. Just click on install. Go to download and click on download this. As you can see, I have installed it earlier, so I am not going to install it. And similarly with Visual Studio Code, you can click here, and according to your machine, as I have 64-bit machine, I am going to install 64-bit, and if you have 32-bit, you can go along with 32-bit. Similarly with this. Now both things are installed. I'm just going to downloads. I'm going to my downloads. Just click on this, and just go to install. Do not go with customized installation. Just initially go with install now, and please make check to this column, add Python 3.2 path. Please do that, and after that click on install now. As I have installed already, so I am not going to install it again. And now Visual Studio Code. As you can see, setup has detected the currently running. My Visual Studio Code is currently running, so I can't install, but it is easy. If you find some difficulty in installing Visual Studio Code, you can ask me personally on my Instagram, or I could provide my Instagram in description. Wait a minute. I will close it and then I will try to do that. So that just I accept the term and condition, do that, next, and do this, add open with code, and these should be check marked. Please, these three should be check marked, and if you want to create an icon on desktop, you can also do that, and do next, and click on install, and it will be ready to use. As I have installed and I mentioned that, so I'm not going to install it again. So thank you guys for watching this video.